Assalamu alaikum everybody, welcome in this lesson. So in this lesson we will talking about function talking about function again, but with advanced example. So we will make the special nums. We will make this function uh, make the summation of number, odd number or even number, or together. So let's dive in. First of all, def special nums, numbers even is equal false. Odd is equal also false. Even false. Odd false. Why this was? If the even is false and odd is false, summation together, even and odds. The total is 0 if even is equal to true, and odd is equal to true, or even false and true false. We will make a for loop number in numbers. If number module 2 is equal 0, total plus equal number. Elif no. Together I will summation together. Elif even is true. If even is true, I will loop and put the if statement. If if number it's even if number module 2 where is the module 2 is equal 0 add to the total the number. I have another elif. If odd is true, is not equal 0. Now we have this array of nums. I will put two rees. The reason 1 is equal. Use special nums. And put nums. Without any other is even and odd. This optional, and numbers will must to put it as argument. Print reason 1 python l.py none. Why none? Why none? Okay. I have something went wrong. Okay. Special nouns. Reason one. Special nouns. Okay, the none because I don't return anything. I will return the total. Total. Python. Okay. 55 because collect all these numbers. So now I will put even is equal to true. Okay, just calculate off even numbers. 30. Our odd is true. Just call summation of false or odds. So together odd even is equal to true. $55. The odd numbers and odd numbers. So I will say goodbye.